Hello SakaFed, hi, I'm Roma and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making a Pina Colada fruitcake. If you want to see how I make this recipe, keep watching. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. My Pina Colada fruitcake is very similar to our what we call our Christmas black cake. A little different because I am using some coconut, I'm using some coconut rum, I'm using a lot of pineapple and candied ginger, and that's in combination with my regular fruit. So it's just a twist on our regular Caribbean style fruitcake. For a traditional black cake, we use candied fruits. So we have raisins, currants, prunes, cherries. We use usually a mixed fruit. And I soak that in some red wine, and I use usually a very sweet red wine or port wine you can use as well. And also with some coconut rum. So there's a combination of the rum and the wine with the regular fruits. This is what I'm adding extra to that: coconut, pineapple and ginger. It's candied ginger with also the candied pineapple. It's soaking in just coconut rum. The coconut, it's grated coconut, still has the milk in it, so you're gonna get that creamy taste in the cake, and you will have the bits of coconut in there. So what I'm going to do now is take the fruits I need, and what I don't use right now, it's going to stay for later and when I do some more cake. I think it was about 2 weeks ago I put them to soak. Some people do it for months at a time. I figure like a couple weeks is enough for me. Okay guys, so I'm just going to measure. That coconut rum, you can smell it in there. It smells so good. So now I'm just going to grind that up really smooth. And this is the texture consistency you want, guys. Look at that. It's nice and smooth. No big chunks. Everything is well combined. Okay, so I'm going to set this aside and I'm going to start making the cake. So I'm just going to add the sugar and the butter together, and I'm going to cream that up nicely together. And that's how you want to get it, nice and light and fluffy. I'm going to add the flour, the spices, guys, to my flour. Okay, so I'm just gonna put that in there. So I'm just gonna mix that all in with the flour and let it sit there. So I'm just gonna crack these eggs and then I'll add them to my sugar and butter mixture. Okay, I'm gonna put the eggs in, and what I'm gonna do is try to get them 1 or 2 at a time. Find when you do it this way, it's better. And I'm doing 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. You want a lot of vanilla in there. And the same amount almond extract. Okay. So it's a brownie, and I'm not going to put too much of that, but I'll get the color as well from my fruits. Okay, and now I'm going to add some flour. And I'm putting it a little bit at a time. Now I could fold it in. You could fold it in like this too. So now I'm just going to take my mixer and I'm just going to get it all smooth and well combined. My cake batter is ready, and I'm just going to incorporate the fruits and the coconut into it. And now the fruit swirl, blend it in there with that. Okay guys, so now the fruit is well mixed in. I'm going to put the coconut. And that coconut, like I say, still have the shredded coconut, but still have the coconut milk in there. All that coconut, you want to get it all mixed properly so you don't get like white pieces of coconut, you see, like that in there. Make sure it's well mixed in. Now I have my pans. I have two, I think they 9-inch pans. I grease them and flour them, and then I have some parchment paper in the bottom. We're just gonna put it now into the baking dish. Get the air bubbles out. I'm just gonna let them sit there until my oven is heated up, and then I'll put it in. And I'm gonna put them on the middle rack. I'm not sure how long they're gonna take. Might take a couple hours. And guys, this is my fruit cake. It's all done. I did put a half a cup of rum on each one already while it was still hot, and now it's still cooling down, it's warm, so I'm gonna put another half cup on each one because it's 1 cup on each cake, so the other one had time to soak in. And this is the coconut rum. Oh, you can hear it seeping right through that cake. This also keeps it from going bad. So you can keep this cake for a long time. Okay guys, here it is. Now normally I would not cut this right away. I would leave it at least till the following day. But because I want to show you guys what it looks like inside, I'm going to cut this one. Take a nice big slice so you can see it. It looks so moist. Okay guys, I'm going to dig in. Try it out. Oh, look at that. So moist. Oh, that is good. I can taste the coconut. So soft. That coconut rum. Oh, wow. And here you have it, guys. Our delicious pina colada fruitcake. Thank you for watching, and until next time, have a great day and God bless.